Hi students, my name is Rajat Mittal. I am creating a small informative video to brief you about some features of Y-School Learning app. This video is particularly important for all the JEE and NEET aspirants. An important question which they are facing right now is, should you drop? If you think that you are not able to clear your cutoffs, if you think that your estimated scores will not help you achieve or get admission into your dream college, don't hesitate in appearing for your next year examination. Y-School Learning app is an online wing of an institute called EduSquare. There are a couple of things which we provide to the students which make us different from what is being offered in the market. Very important point which we are covering is the recorded content. We are providing recorded content because a lot of students face internet issues. They face lack of internet in some areas. So with recorded content, number one, you can look at the content as many number of times as you want. Secondly, the recorded content has been created by our experienced faculty, so which helps you clear your doubts through the videos. We always provide students with study material and assignments. All the study material is provided through our app, as well as physical copies are sent through courier. A USP which differentiates us from the competition is a 24/7 doubt support. So our teachers are available to handle your doubts around the clock. So from a doubt which is coming at 12 in the night to a doubt which is coming at 3 in the morning, we are there to help you. We are also providing live doubt sessions on regular intervals to handle those queries which cannot be handled otherwise. Our online testing is very difficult and unique as it is based on artificial intelligence, where we clarify and highlight your flukes which you attempt in every examination. Now the fluke identification feature basically helps you identify those answers which could be right in your test attempt. However, they are flukes, in Hindi which you call as tukkas. So with this feature, you are basically able to highlight those questions which you are attempting in a fluke, right? So the keyword with us is personalized. Like I said, all our systems are backed by experienced faculty. So we will always provide you a personalized service, 24/7 teacher support for doubts, fluke identification like I already mentioned. Another thing as an additional feature which we are offering is admission counseling. So after you have received your NEET and JEE scores, you can come back to us and we will help you in advising which college, which stream would be a right fit for you. And installment options are also available for the students. There are scholarship tests which we conduct on regular basis for students to take admissions in our institute. For any further information, please feel free to reach us to email. You can contact us through emails, phones. All of our description details are available in the descriptions. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.